Hi guys, I'm unboxing the GoPro Hero 9. The GoPro Hero 9 captures 5K video and up to 20MP images for stunning clarity. This camera is water resistant and you can take it to the beach, take it to the pool, and have lots of fun. I'll be using this to catch all my action clips on my YouTube channel. This GoPro does have a built-in mounting, so no more carrying a separate frame. Just flip out the folding fingers, attach your camera to any mount, and you can be on the go. This camera also has Hyper Smooth 3.0, and you can experience ultimate smoothness with the most advanced video stabilization ever that GoPro has created. This camera is also touchscreen, as well as it can be activated with voice command. You can also live stream in 1080p. You can also use it as a webcam by connecting it to your computer to broadcast 1080p full HD video footage. This camera is also rugged and water resistant. You can take it out to the beach, take it in the water right out the box. You can also do time warp videos and night lapse videos. Included right in the box, as you can see, it comes with this nice carrying case to store the accessories that comes with it and to store your camera when you're going out on the go. It comes with one battery, a mounting buckle, and a thumb screw. As you can see, it does have that front-facing display screen right there, so you can see yourself now when you're on the go, when you're vlogging. And to the right in the carrying case, it does also come with the charging cable, which is a USB-C cable that you use to charge your GoPro. It does not come with the wall mount, so you will have to have your own like wall block to plug into the wall if you want to plug it into your normal standard plugs. This action camera does not come with a memory card, so you will have to get your own memory card, as well as there is no internal memory included inside of the camera. This camera also has face detection. It can recognize human faces and then focus accordingly. It's an action camera. It also is able to do night recording, and it does have built-in noise and wind reduction. The camera is also Wi-Fi enabled, and as I said earlier, it's water resistant and waterproof, and it can go at least 16 feet deep into the water. If you plan to just do very basic videos or pictures, it's very easy to use right out the box. And you can also find multiple accessories that can go to your GoPro once it's purchased online, depending on what type of ways you want to use your GoPro. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to hit the like, subscribe button, and leave me a comment if you got any questions. Peace.